In this part, we will write our first line of Python code. Let's open the idle. We can see a screen with Python version info and some other stuff. It's known as Python shell. We can write Python code into the shell. The three greater than signs indicates you are in an interactive shell, which means Python is waiting for you to send a command. Once you send a command, the Python interpreter will execute your code and send back the result. Let's type print hello Python after the three greater than signs and hit enter. We use the print function to output the text hello Python. A function is a block of code that performs certain tasks. We will learn more about function later. As soon as we hit the enter, Python interpreter executes our code and prints the text hello Python. We need to be careful about few things here. The print must be written in lowercase letters. The text must be enclosed in a pair of quotation marks and then put inside parentheses. Otherwise, Python interpreter would complain about syntax not being correct. We will learn about syntax error in the next part.